In our Liminal Sensorium, I'll be guiding you through lucidity techniques to help you become more conscious and aware within the dream state. I'll also be guiding you through the knowledge and use of ONEIROGENS, which are dreaming plants that help trigger and activate more vivid and meaningful dream states. Throughout the Liminal Sensorium, I will also be guiding you through deeper connection to nature and also to yourself through practices of self-awareness and meditation.
Hello everybody, Jade, your out-of-body experience and astral projection teacher here. So I wanted to let you know what I will be leading at the Liminal Sensorium. I'll be looking at 3 steps to astral project, so to self-induce an out-of-body experience for self-transformation. I'll be doing a session on how to springboard from the lucid dream state into astral projection, as well as guiding a meditation journey to meet our fear, to embrace our shadow that might be holding us back from having certain experiences. And I'll also be using binaural beats and isochronic tones. These are music tracks that help put our brain waves into the best conducive states for these transpersonal experiences. And so I'd really like to share this journey with you, so it'd be lovely to see you there.
This is going to be an incredible and immersive group journey through lucid dreaming and astral projection, and I hope that you can join us.